Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send money with the Nala app. First just launch the app, and then what I want you to do is come here, tap on send, and now you just select an option, okay? So you can send to a bank account, send to a mobile number, and you can do buy goods, o lipa na M-Pesa, or you can pay bill as well. I'll just go ahead and choose send to a phone number right here, and you just enter the recipient's number. Of course, you can go ahead and search them up if you have them in your contacts, or you can tap here and add mobile money recipient. Okay, then you can come here, click and add a new recipient right here, or you can add to existing recipient. I'll just click on a new recipient, and you can enter their first name, their last name, for the country. In this case, Kenya. You just put in their phone number, and then once you fill everything in, so it will identify automatically the phone operator. In this case, it's Safaricom, and then you can tap here on create. Okay, and once you've confirmed the number, you can tap here confirm and select. And let's say you want to send 10 Great British pounds. You'll see how much exactly the recipient will receive and the exchange rate. Okay, you can tap here and continue, and then you just choose your payment method. So let's say, for example, add a new card, you tap on that, tap here on continue, and you just enter the card details, your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and then you pay and save the details. Okay, then once you come to this page, you can review everything, make sure everything is correct, and they'll receive it on their M-Pesa. Tap here on send money, and just confirm with your Face ID, and there you go. You're basically done. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.